Had a bit of a late start coming from the Lake District up to Scotland. Just on my way over to Peebles. Going to be doing a bit of mountain biking tomorrow. The drive through Peebles will be awesome. So I'm hoping to be able to stop here tonight, and let's see if I can get away with it. Anyway, we'll have a get out the van, we'll go and have a look at Moffat. Oh, something smells good. Let's have a look, going across the road. You know what, the amount of times I've driven through here, I've never even stopped. There's loads of lovely little pubs. I don't know whether you can see it. I'll do a little bit of a video in the morning of the place when it comes light. I'm just stood outside the Cenotaph here with the poppy. Anyway, let's get back in the van. It's absolutely freezing. And I'll see you first thing in the morning. Sale. So if you know anybody who wants to buy an old Scottish train station, it's still got the platform. Can you imagine the ghost trains going right through the middle of that property there? So that's the station. For sale. Again, absolutely beautiful countryside, on the hills. I'm just wondering whether this building here might have actually been the station master's house. It's looking like that would be the station master's house. They got the track going down the front of it. It's definitely not going past here. I just can't understand why the station master's house is there. Let's have a look, see if we can find any of the track bed. Oh, here we go. So we've got a nice long run down there now. Right down to the next station, which is Peebles. Looking down over the river onto the main road. Let's see if I can go down and have a look at the bridge from down below. Somehow I don't think we'll be able to get down unless we go down that path there. Let's try and go down here. So that's a bridge over there. No. that for a rig. Proper camper van. Hey, what do you think of that rig there? That's nice, isn't it? 4-wheel drive camper truck. Anyway, just arrived at Glentress. It started raining. It wasn't raining when I was driving over. Off we go. It's quite chilly. Thank you.
It's seating the newer.
I'm now on the black and the red run, and off we go up the climb. Didn't have the camera on at the bottom, but it had half changed the approach getting up here, and they've opened up a skills place for all the kids. Just going underneath the Go 8 stuff here. You'll probably see it just as I pass. But it's hard work riding one-handed, even though I've been riding a bike for years. Just can't do it. Lost it a bit then. Big jump there. Another little jump. Lost the back end a bit then. massive drop that. There's another big one. Hey! Awesome. And with the top, oh, we're down. Hey, a bit of there, bit more there. To a tunnel. Bit more there. Bit more there. Bit more there. Well, we're back. I've made it to AVIEMORE. It's not what I expected, to be honest with you. Just a load of shops and a high street. So I'm going to get out now, go for a bit of a walk and see what we can find.